Hey guys, I'm going to show you my 2015 TNT Fireworks Supercenter Catalog. Just got this in the mail the other day. Buy one, get two free on certain products, and then buy one, get one free on everything else. Free fireworks purchases through July 1st. You buy a certain amount of fireworks, you get free ones. Some bonus deals. Some dollar deals. We got $1 TNT Blast, Bees, and Poppets. $2 Crazy Groundhog, Lightning Flash, Assorted Snakes, Color Smoke Balls, Can of Worms. $3 Amazing Fountain, Party Poppers, Crazy Eyeballs, Carousel, and Short Stack. $4 Artificial Satellite, Whistling Chasers, 48-Shot Pearl, Color Ammo Smoke, Purple Rain, Cheeky Fountain, 5-Ball Mad Dog, Roman Candle. Here's some buy one get two free. You can stop the video, pause throughout the video to see prices and stuff, because I'm not gonna name off all the products. But here we have Smoke Bomb $2.99, Mad Dog Fountain $15.99, Ground Bloom Flowers 30 of them $14.99. Some more buy one get two free. We have Oblivion $29.99, Salute to America $169.99, and Red Devil 1000, 36 of them for $12.99. We have, let's see, Detonator 12-shot assorted, and Arsenal 24-shot assorted. That's $139.99 and $199.99. Uniman is $169.99. Some 500-gram grand finales, mix and match, buy one get one free. We have Fantabulous, No Escape, Here and Now, Best of Show, Crisis Alert, Flawless. We have Big Fat Hissy Cat, Big Fat Hissy Fit, Land of Liberty, Justified, Virtual Reality, Swamp Dog, and Epic Explosions. Those are all $79.99. We got Spirit of Passion, Jaw Dropper, Blue Hawaii, The Quest, Jolt, Jealous Neighbor. We have Brink of Disaster, Dark Revenge, Sea of Light, Skater Hunter, and the Night Theater. These are $99.99. These are $139.99. We have 24-karat large and in charge, Bring It, America's Best, You Have Potential, and Diamond Days. Those are $199.99. Then we have the Big Guns, Unforgettable, Real Steel, and those are, let's see, the Big Guns and Unforgettable are $139.99. Real Steel and Shapeshifter and Corruption Finale are all $239.99. Here are some reloadables. Buy one, get two free. Blastmaster 24-shot and Arsenal 24-shot, $199.99. We have the Detonator and No Limit. It's 12-shot and 6-shot, $139.99, $89.99. Buy one, get two free. Some other reloadables. Buy one, get one free, mix and match. We have T6 short shells, 12 Magnum, Red Devil 12-shot, Festival Balls, Mini Artillery Shells, Prime Time, and Artillery Shell. We have repeaters. You can look at some of those. Saturn Missile 25-shot, $12.99. Night Rampage 12-shot, $49.99. If you buy one, get one free. Here's some more repeaters. See, atomic cannon, $12.99. Buy one, get one free. Damage control, $39.99. Super missile, 300 shot, $39.99. Piranha attack, 19 shot, $19.99. We got Meow, 10 shot, $39.99. Unbeatable, $29.99. D-Day, $19.99. Alright, now we got the assortments. We have the Hot Shot bag, $29.99. Mercury assortment, $39.99. The Honor assortment, $69.99, and the Liberty assortment, $69.99. We have the Big Bomb assortment and the Red Devil assortment, $99.99, and Super TNT assortment and the All American, $119.99. We got the bigger ones. We got Exhibition assortment, $199.99. Ablaze, Thunderbuster, or $199.99. And then we have Absolute Power, $39.99. And then the Big Bang assortment, the biggest one, that's $99,999. And we got some Roman candles. Look at the prices down here. Buy one, get one free. All Roman candles. 5-ball Mad Dog Roman candle, $4 for 4 of them. Some of those. We got firecrackers. The Red Devil M1000s are buy one, get two free. 36 of them for $12.99. Ground Blaster, 100 pieces, $4.99. 100 step bundle for 4 of them, $11.99. Then we got rockets. Look down here. Red Devil assorted ones, a dozen, $19.99. Parachutes, single day parachute, $1.99. We got fountains. Purple Rain, $4. Cruisel, $3. Amazing Fountain, $3. Crickets, $5.99. Short Stack, $3. Fat Cat, $9.99. Cheeky Fountain, $4. We got spinners and smoke. We have Reveal Time, 2 of them, $9.99. Smoke grenade with fuse. The new ones have the pull string, but this has fuse for $6.99. The smoke balls, 6-pack, $2, and ammo smoke, $4. Now the planes and helicopters. Spaceship, 6 of them, $15.99. Small bees, pack of 12, $1. Then we got sparklers and novelties. We have Party Poppers, $3 for 6. Lightning Flash, $2. TNT Blast, $1. Assorted Snakes, $2. Poppets, $1. Can of Worms, $2. Morning Glory, 6 boxes, $9.99. We have the locations. Let's see, we have them in Alabama, Florida, Indiana, Michigan, New Hampshire, Oklahoma, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Texas, and Wyoming. So anyway, those are all the locations. Hope you guys liked the video. I'll post more videos later as I get more stuff and shoot them off. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel, watch all my videos, and see you later. Thanks. Bye.